Hello, welcome back. I coupled this bunk bed. Let's see how I did it.
The bed in here is the bed here is what we are trying to put together, but the parts are not being labeled, so I have to use my wisdom to make this right. So let's get to work. Lots of screws to play with. So I'll start by putting the headboard and the footboards together. So that should help us figure out what to do with the rest of the parts. Sadly, the parts are not being labeled. So looking at it, this is the right place for this. So this will be the inside of the bed connecting to the rest of the body. So this will be the outside. And for that, remember to place this thing facing outwards. Place this board facing outwards this way. So place this on the side. Using the same knowledge to build the rest. Yeah, this is pretty solid. According to the manual of this mattress or frame, I was supposed to leave this in here. So this screw, which is on the side, can pass through it and hold this frame together. So it means I'll have to remove 4 screws all around and put this back into it. So let's get to work. Do that quickly. I've corrected that. We'll continue with the rest of what we're doing. I'm going to this here. And then I'll tighten all the rest of the screws. So now I'll lift this into the other one. That's it. So that's it. Put the second one in. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, almost. We're almost there. We are almost there. So before I finish this off, I need to confirm what side of this bed they want the step to be. Is it at the side or other side. And now the last thing is to do the rails, the front rails and the step, and we'll be done. I must be sincere with you. It's one of the strongest bed frames I have made in recent time. This is really strong. So the last thing is to add the support to the other side there, and we'll be done. So the last thing is to add all this to cover the unused screw holes.
And now we are done with this. What do you think about it? And what can you say about my job? Do you think I've done a good job, yeah? Thank you for staying tuned, and I'll see you next time.